Welcome to the video. Today we will be having a look at the Lagoon 42. If you head over to Lagoon's website, you can see more of the technical specifications of the boat.
Okay, stop being annoying. Just as a point of reference, we are a couple looking to buy a Catamaran to live aboard and manage by ourselves. We are pretty darn inexperienced and over 6 months away from buying, so we focus mainly on livability aspects during these walkthroughs. But if there's anything you would like us to do differently, please leave us a comment and let us know, and please be kind because this is our first time doing this. Here are some boats that I found on Yacht World as a point of reference for price.
Also, we are currently doing a series on the boats we toured in La Grande Motte, so please subscribe if you're interested in seeing any of these boats.
These boats right here. These boats that are currently on the screen. Any of them if you're interested. Okay, let's jump into the video. Go.
Alrighty, here we are at the aft cockpit of the Lagoon 42. It's a nice big space. We liked it. It was very inviting to walk onto this section.
Yeah. I think that the way that the Lagoon's set up this backside of the boat is really nice. It's super functional. If you think about a lot of people being on this boat, everybody has easy access, easy exit access if they need to go to a bathroom, something like that. This lounge is pretty nice. I would probably be hanging out up there a lot.
And heading up to the bow. Trampoline. There's a big trampoline there.
Yeah, James stealing my thunder, saying that my OCD is a little bit bothered by the fact that these tramps are not symmetrical. But, you know, you can get past that. If you're not crazy like me, that wouldn't bother you.
And as you walk around, you can see that the grab handles are integrated into the roof of the boat. It's
not really a plus or minus. I guess it's a neat feature, but it's not like a selling point, I guess. Coming up to the helm. Nice and tidy. This one was fully enclosed with a soft bimini. Nice tech that we have no idea what it is, but I'm sure you guys probably know a lot more than us and could know if that's great or not.
Yeah, all the fancy lines.
I'm sure it's great. The sun pads are great. Those I definitely know are great. It's a nice use of space. And coming back down into the aft cockpit, I just wanted to note that before I actually got on the boats, I thought that I would prefer the way that the Leopards do it with that giant table, but actually being on here, you can see that this is much more functional because people can like hang out and like get in and out of the spaces easier.
Keeps the space big and open. Okay,
so now coming into the salon, I think that these windows are great. I love that the way that these are set up, like this 270-degree panoramic view of the ocean is really beautiful.
And it's a nice U-shaped galley, lots of cupboard space, lots of storage. Very big. I think it's plenty big for a 42-foot boat.
Yeah, I love the woodwork. Well, I guess it's not wood, but the woodwork on the Lagoons. These boats feel really homey. Like a lot of other boats that we got on felt kind of like sterile. Like I don't know. But these you could definitely feel comfortable, calling this your home. And the couches are super comfortable and nice. I just really, I know I've said it already, but I really like the way that the Lagoon set up their salons.
It's a nice fridge and a TV mount there. Still plenty of storage.
Yeah. Plenty of storage, or TV or projector. I think we'll probably go with a projector. Seems a little easier. A little less power intensive. In the nav station, I think it's kind of strange that it faces the side, but in the 40 and the 46 of the Lagoons, they're kind of more diagonal facing the front, but again, you can get past it.
So heading down to the starboard side, and this is the owner's side.
Yes, the Lagoons, this is where they really shine. I mean, I think the Lagoons shine in every part of the boat, but really down in these bedrooms, I think is like they're really like cherry on top for the Lagoons. I feel like they just do these better than any other boat.
Yeah, and there's so much light coming in there.
Yeah, the windows are great. My only like small bit is that I'm partial to there being a window in that like middle connection between the bathroom and the bedroom. But I mean, for me that's a big deal, but for most people it might not be. And then coming into the bathroom, Again, the bathrooms are really nice. One thing to note, though, I'm not sure if it was just this boat or not, but on the Lagoon 40 and the 46, the bathrooms seem a little bit more updated in their finishings, like in terms of the countertops.
Yeah, the countertops were nicer.
And the cabinets and stuff. I think that the shower is big, by the way. It was big and nice. The window's nice. If you got to look, like the honeycomb thing that they did in those bathroom cabinets, I think is a bit strange. But again, these are made really, the boats, you can tell they're made really well. A lot of the other boats you get on, they look nice in a video, but they like reek and creak when you're on them. The Lagoons definitely don't.
Okay, the guest cabins, still lots of light. There's so much light coming into these bedrooms.
And this is
really
huge.
Nice.
This bedroom is huge. I mean, I think it's probably the same size as the master on the other side. The only thing that I think is a little bit strange in this 42 is the bathroom setup down here on the
guest side, like the port side.
Yeah, on the port side of the boat. One bathroom has a shower, and the other bathroom does not.
Which you can see that there's the shower.
Yeah, and like these bathrooms are enclosed in the bedrooms themselves. So if the person staying in the other cabin needed to take a shower, they would have to come into this person's bedroom to do that, which I think is just, I don't know, I think it's a little strange. Like a lot of other boats have that kind of Jack and Jill shower setup. And I think that's way more functional. I just don't really get the point of that. And that's what the Lagoon 40 actually has. So I don't know. I don't really get the point of having the shower only in one bathroom. And again, that bedroom was really nice. But here you can see again, oh, check me out. The showers, there's no shower.
And there's plenty of storage in these bathrooms too. Like for any guest staying there, there's still plenty.
Yeah,
of space.
But I definitely do prefer the finishings on the 40 and the 46 in terms of like the bathrooms, counter space and stuff.
Yeah, so final look at the interior.
Okay guys, Lagoon 42. My final thoughts are that this boat coming in, I thought was going to be a really good compromise, I guess. For me, like the ideal boat would be the Lagoon 46, but I thought with the price difference, the Lagoon 42 would still hit the marks that I was looking for. But in reality, what I was left with was feeling like the 46 is definitely worth the extra cash, and I'm not so sure that the 42 is worth how much more it is than the 40.
Than the Lagoon 40, yeah.
I think you are actually I feel like the Lagoon 40 is actually a more functional boat, especially in the bathrooms. I really don't like how in this 42, in the guest cabin, you have one bathroom with no shower and the other bathroom with a shower. So anyone who is staying in that one cabin will have to actually go into the other person's bedroom to use the shower. It just doesn't make sense to me. I wish they had done a Jack and Jill. And also, the finishings on the 42 were not, I don't know if it was just this boat, but man, they were not the same quality as they were on the 40 and the 46. The finishings in the Lagoon 40 and the 46 are the same. They're identical.
Yeah, I think that the impression we got with the 46 and the 40 was that they made a really good use of that spaces that they had available, but with the 42 it seemed like it was lacking, I think, with that kind of area.
I think primarily in the bathrooms, I think mainly in the finishings. And to me, I just think that the 42 does not offer so much more than the 40 does to justify the price difference. So if you guys are on a more tight budget, I would definitely consider the 40, but take it with a grain of salt because we're not super experienced, we don't know a ton. But just so you guys know, we are currently in the middle of a series that we are doing on the walkthroughs of the boats we did in Le Grand Mont. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, make sure to subscribe to stay in tune. And if there's anything you would like us to do differently, please leave us a comment and let us know. But again, we don't know too much, so be nice with your comments. Yeah, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye guys.